Ever wondered how to navigate the exciting world of stock market investing? Let's dive into the art of picking stocks. Your first step is understanding your personal investment goals. Are you after long-term growth or perhaps dividend income? Remember, your goals shape your investment journey. Knowledge is your best friend in investing. It's crucial to take the time to educate yourself about different industries, company fundamentals, and market trends. This will help you make informed decisions and identify potential investment opportunities. You can use reputable financial websites like Bloomberg and Investopedia, or delve into investment books by authors like Benjamin Graham and Peter Lynch. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires ongoing learning and understanding. Stay informed, stay ahead. The numbers tell a story. Learn to read them. Financial metrics are the clues to a company's performance and health. Earnings per share, price-to-earnings ratio, debt-to-equity ratio, and revenue growth are the key indicators worth investigating. They shed light on profitability, valuation, indebtedness, and growth potential. Meanwhile, a company's competitive advantage speaks volumes about its potential for future success. Unique offerings, strong brand recognition, or a loyal customer base are all signs of a sustainable edge. The best investors are detective-like, piecing together information to find great investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. In the world of investing, it's crucial to spread your investments across a variety of stocks from different industries. This strategy helps to reduce risk and insulate your portfolio from the peaks and valleys of market fluctuations. But remember, investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Staying informed about market news, economic trends, and company updates is vital. Be ready to adapt your strategies based on new information and changing market conditions. Keep your portfolio diverse and your mind open to change. So you're ready to pick stocks. Remember, understanding your goals, doing research, analyzing metrics, assessing competitive advantages, diversifying, and staying adaptable are your guiding principles. Embrace patience, discipline, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Empower yourself with knowledge and start building wealth. Happy investing.